Hi, this is how you install the PermaChild Safety Ultimate Safe Step Baby Gate. You may notice a gap in the locking mechanism upon removing the gate from packaging. The gap in this product is not a defect. It will disappear when the gate is correctly installed. Top of stairs. If safety barrier is used at top of stairs, it should not be positioned below the top level. Middle of stairs. Do not mount anywhere other than the top level or lowest tread. Bottom of stairs. If safety barrier is used at the bottom of the stairs, it should be positioned at the front of the lowest tread. The gate must be installed in a structurally sound opening. Ensure the mounting surface is strong, rigid, and has an even surface. Measure the space to be enclosed. For wider openings, you may require extensions. Extensions are available from our website. Join adjuster bolts and adjuster screws together. Peel and stick adhesive pads and apply to the wall cups. Insert adjuster bolts and screws into each hole on the gate. Peel release paper on each of the wall cups, then fit the gate in the desired location. Starting at the bottom, apply wall cups. Tighten adjuster screws, ensuring they're even on both sides. Apply the top wall cups and tighten adjuster screws evenly until there is a 1.5mm gap in the lock mechanism. Using one hand, place thumb on the button, slide button and lift gate panel. Open gate. When released, the gate will swing closed automatically. Always check it closes properly. To enable the stay open feature, open the gate to a 90-degree angle. The gate will not swing closed if installed correctly and evenly.